Life, they say, is a journey of twists and turns. But sometimes it feels more like a storm. Winds howling, waves crashing, everything you built wash away, dreams torn like paper in the rain. And in those moments they ask, how can you still smile? How do you hold joy in hands filled with struggle? But then happiness is not the absence of pain. It is the decision to dance even with weary feet. It is the courage to laugh even with a heavy heart. It is the fire within that refuses to die even when the world tries to blow it out. Now look around. Do you see them? The ones who rise despite the weight. The ones who shine even in the dark. The mother with tired eyes still humming lullabies. The father with careless hands still building hope. The child who lost yet still believes. They have something unshakable, something no storm can steal. Because joy, real joy, is not given by life. It is clean. It is carved out of pain. It is found in the small things. A kind word when the world is unkind. A hand that reaches for yours when you feel alone. So when the wind rises, stunned. When the storms rage, laugh. And when they ask, how can you still smile? Tell them, I have learned to dance in the rain.